Alright, let's start making your DIY handwriting worksheets for free. Let's start off making a print style single word handwriting worksheet. Okay, so first of all, you go to handwritingworksheets.com so that you can get to make these worksheets for free. And as you can see here, it says here that you can make these handwriting worksheets in only 4 steps. It's that easy. So you scroll down and you choose the type of worksheet that you want to create. Is it the print style, Danielian, and cursive? So for now, we're going to make a print style worksheet. Click here. It will take you to the next page. Perfect print dot trace practice. So you have 4 options here. You have the name and sentence, single word, multi-word, and paragraph, all in print. And now we're going to try to make a single word print worksheet. Click here. It will take you to the next screen where you can create the worksheet. It says here, sometimes this happens. It says here, click to enable Adobe Flash Player, because my computer seems to be not working the Flash Player. So you just click here and then click Allow. Okay, now it will run the handwriting worksheet program. Get ready to be impressed. And this is your workstation. Here, as you can see, step 1, enter the student name. So by default, it says your handwriting practice 4. You can type in your child's name. Okay, and then step 2, enter the single word, because this is a single word handwriting worksheet. As you can see here, you type in one word and it will auto-populate that line for you, okay? So what word do you want them to practice? If may I give a suggestion? I think you should start off letting them write their first names, because it will really motivate them to start practicing their penmanship. So let's type in my son's name, Joshua. And then step 3, choose the letter size. By default, it says your size 3 or 5/8 inch, because this is ideal for preschoolers from kindergarten to grade 1. Okay, but you can still make it bigger, size 4. It really makes the letters and the lines bigger. Or size 2, this is ideal for second graders onwards. Okay, so this is 1/2 inch. This one is 5/8 inch. Let's do the default size of size 3. Step 4, paper layout. You choose which one do you have in stock. Do you have a US letter that's 8.5 by 11 or the A4 paper? So for now, let's do the default US letter, and then you have the option of portrait or landscape. So as you can see with portrait, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines that your child can practice in, but it's only 2 words per line. So that's 12. And then landscape, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines times 2, that's 8 words. Okay, but let us see. With step 5, select the color. So the text color by default is black. The line color by default is blue. But you can change it. Do you want it to be pink? So it turns into pink. Or whatever else, whatever color that you prefer. Let's put it back in the default color of blue. And step 6 is important because it will ask you how many times do you want the word repeated. Right now, it's at default 1, meaning this is the starting word, and then it repeated the word once. So you can add more. So as you can see, it repeated the word twice. So now you have 3 words per line. So that's equivalent to the same as the portrait. It has 12 practice words. What if you want more? Repeat number 3. This message will come up. Oops, you've typed more than can fit on one line. So please do one of the following. Either you remove some of the words, meaning you go back here to step 6, make it 2, or what was the other one? Reduce the letter size. So you can make it step 3, size 2. There you go. So now it can fit all 3 repeated words. Or Switch to landscape if in portrait mode, but right now we're already in landscape. So that's it. So you have 3 ways of solving that. So for now, let's make it repeat number 2. And then step 7, format the second word. What does that mean? So now by default, it says show words. So it's showing the words for them to practice. They will just trace the dotted words or just show the start dots. So the first word has the dotted word, and then the next few times that they will practice, it will only show the starting dots, okay, as their guide. So I suggest that you make this for when they're more advanced in practicing their handwriting, okay? You can maybe do this in the flip side of the show word page. Okay, sometimes, as you can see, sometimes the letter gets cut by the margin. So what do? What I usually do is I go back to step 2 and add a space. And it will automatically move everything to the right. Okay, what's the next step? You click on print. It will take you to the print dialog box. Okay, now you get a zoomed in view of what will be printed. Okay, so as you can see here, it's very easy to follow. They have step 1, go down, step 2, go across. It even shows the arrows of the direction of where their pen or pencil should go. All right, and then the other words, they have the starting dots as the guide. Okay, so you have the option to print it there. That's a better view. You have the option to print from this dialog box in color or in black and white. Turns everything black and white. Or you can do this, print using system dialog box, because you can save on ink if you use this. So if you click here, this is what I do. From media and quality, I go to draft setting so that I can save on ink. And then just click on print. And that's all there is to it. You'll have your own print style single word handwriting worksheet. Okay, so let's go to the next video for the making multi-word handwriting worksheet. See you there.